to be making
the OREO Rice Krispie Treats.
And what you will need for this recipe, you're going to need 16 Oreos, and you're going to have to mix up your Rice Krispies. So that's a type of cereal, so you have to mix up your Rice Krispies and your 16 Oreos.
So you got to crush them up.
Ooh. Oh, we should put them in a bag to crush them. Okay.
You try to break them up, or you can like try to flip this.
Oh, I mean, I got the perfect tool for this.
So Eric's crushing them up right now, yeah. Oh my god, he's making a mess of it. Crush, crush, crush.
This is fun.
I'm doing good.
For this video, I said I wanted to crush things.
Oh my god.
My turn.
Okay, now it's the Ray's turn.
Hey, let me go to that one.
I wanted to crush that.
Okay. So right now it's the Ray's turn. That is a good tool, Ray.
Thank you.
Can you move the Rice Krispies out the way so we can see what she's doing? See what she's doing?
The Rice Krispies don't really taste like anything.
Show them the tool that you have. I don't know. She found that, y'all. What is it?
It's a rice scraper.
Oh, it's a rice. She found that, so I think that's
my
pretty
turn.
good.
Right?
Yeah,
My
yeah.
turn. Oh,
Let her finish doing it a little bit more.
Four.
All right, now it's Eric's turn. So Ray, you pick up the stuff that fell on the floor, and can you close the laundry room door? All right, so look at him, y'all.
What are you doing?
Eating it.
Oh, okay.
Move this that way. Okay, so now what they're gonna do?
And pour in the Rice Krispies.
Yep. And 1 cup of marshmallows that goes in there. That goes
You need
in
9 cups.
1 cup.
1 cup for
Can
now.
you show them? Let me see. This is how it looks. Okay.
I just want.
I'm gonna pour that in, Sarai.
Is there a limit?
No, it just says, wait, hold on. Oh, 5 cups of Rice Krispies. Sorry.
Well, let's call that 1 cup.
Okay. Here's the cup. The cups are right there.
Yeah. He's over here eating everything. Sit down. Oh my god. No.
Yeah, Eric. Stop it. Eric, you can do the marshmallow. And we need 1 cup of marshmallow in there. So Eric's gonna do the marshmallows. So Eric, grab the marshmallows, please. Yep. And he's gonna do the marshmallows.
1. 2. 3.
So Eric's doing the 1 cup of marshmallow, and Saray's doing 5 cups of Rice Krispies. We have the Oreo, 16 Oreo cookies in there.
4.
Eric can go ahead and pour the marshmallows in. Good job.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna crush all of them together.
We're gonna mix it all together. You don't have to just stir it.
But I'm gonna still crush the Oreos.
So now I'm gonna have Eric put the butter in a saucepan on medium heat. So I have it on medium heat, which is like a number 4 for us. All right, Eric, you're gonna cut that butter. So it's gonna be 5 tablespoons of butter. So Eric's gonna cut. Yep, and you're gonna go ahead and put it. Go ahead and put it in the saucepan, Eric. Take the butter over there and put it in the saucepan. So it's on medium heat, you guys. Okay. Now Saray needs to stir this Stir that with the little spoon right there. Just one. We don't need no more butter. So put the butter back on there. Okay, and here's the paper
I
towel.
want to see it's like still like big old chunks.
It's okay. I'm gonna be perfect, Sarah. Just mix it all in there together.
Well, it's kind of like mechanics.
So Eric, now you're gonna add the remaining of the 8 cups of mini marshmallows in the saucepan. Wait. Yep, you're gonna add it in the saucepan. So get the marshmallows, Eric. No, Eric, he's doing it. Let him do it. You just mix all that stuff together.
I'm done mixing.
Okay. Fill it all the way to the top.
One.
So Ray, you need the salt now.
Can I pour it in there?
Yeah, you can pour it in. Go ahead and let her pour it in there. Let her pour it in. And then Eric, you could just start stirring it, Saray. Get the spoon over there. That's 1 cup. You gotta do 8 cups, Eric.
Stir 'em.
Come on, son. Do 8 cups. So he's adding the rest of the 8 cups. Total 9 cups. We put 1 cup in there, and then it's gonna be 8 cups in the saucepan. So come on, Eric, let's go. Saray's stirring it around. As you can see. Turn this light on.
You can have lighting that is on fleek.
All right,
Not
come on,
on
son.
eat.
Don't eat the marshmallow. We need them.
Look at him trying to eat them.
Oh, that's like a little over a cup.
Okay,
Come on. We're just gonna get
don't
some
be
more.
so close to the pan like that. They don't really smell that good. I just smell burntness.
So in here is 5 tablespoons of butter. And Eric's coming.
And 2 cups of butter. I said 2 cups of butter. I meant 2 cups of
marshmallow.
marshmallow.
You guys, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna help Eric.
Now
out.
you're gonna use a half a teaspoon. Right now, Eric's mixing with the marshmallows. I already mixed most of it, and that's why it looks that consistency. Yours should not be all clumpy. You need to wait until all the melt until you can do this. Let me put this in.
So go ahead and stir it.
And when you do that, you're just gonna keep on stirring, and you want to turn it down lower so it won't like get harder.
Yeah, you don't want it to get like
Burnt.
burnt.
You want it to be a nice consistency like this. Oh wait, you guys can't see it. Sorry, like this. Eric's mixing it right now. I'm going to put this down. Yeah. Right there.
So now it's saying that you need to pour the melted butter and marshmallow mixture over the crispy cereal mixture and gently stir with a rubber spatula until it's
I can do
evenly.
it. Let me
So
do
now
it.
we're gonna just go
Yes.
We're gonna do this, you guys. Yeah.
I
So what we're gonna do is put this. We're gonna spread it in here. Pour it in here. However you want to say it, y'all. Y'all know what I mean.
We're gonna pour it in there and here.
And now we're gonna get the hot pan. Do you want me to do it, sir?
I'll do it.
So this is how it looks, y'all.
This looks good. Do you see that? See, it's so sticky.
All right, bring it over here, sir.
Okay.
Gotta be very careful. Watch out, son, please.
Okay.
Burnt.
Can someone
Do you want me to do
can you
it?
hold a spatula here?
Ooh, sorry, you made a mess.
Sir?
Okay. So look what she's doing. Hold on, let's see if I can get better view. Eric, you're gonna, once she start pouring it.
Then I'll just have to spread it around.
Mm-hmm.
Did I hear it popping?
He's talking. Let me see, son. Let me see.
Yeah, can you scrape that out for me?
Now I'm trying to scrape it, y'all. And hold the camera.
I can hold the camera.
Okay, you got it?
Okay. It's heavy. It's like this buttery color.
and then like some of it's like whitish, cause not all of it's like
So right now I'm trying to like get all the
marshmallow
and butter
and
out.
butter.
So 5 tablespoons of butter, y'all. All right. I think that's good enough. What do you think, Sydney?
Just do that, yeah.
Okay. So Eric's done with that.
Oh,
And now Eric's going to mix it
Gently.
gently. And so Saray's mixing it, you guys.
Do you hear it popping?
Mm-hmm.
But it's very, very good.
Look at how it tastes. All right, you guys, I'm going to help them.
I think
So
actually
once
might
we're
come out.
finished,
You didn't think it's gonna come out?
I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. And we gotta let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay? So you guys stay tuned. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So now we have the finished product. Doesn't it look delicious? So.
It does.
Oh, my tongue.
So Saray's gonna
So we're gonna cut it up into little cubes.
but not big.
little squares.
Yeah, little square.
How about triangles? Wait, no, not triangles. Not
I'm gonna make them into
like
squares.
rectangles.
Yeah, like squares.
Rectangles. Like they usually are.
But we're gonna wait like 30 minutes to eat.
Yeah, because the reason why we're doing it right now is because we don't want it to be like get too hard, and then we can't just have to pick it out. So we want them to be nice squares.
Yep. Good job, sir.
Is that good enough?
I take them out.
No, don't take them out yet. I'm gonna wait.
Look at it over here trying to take them out already.
You know he always want to eat something so fast.
I don't want to eat it yet.
We're gonna show y'all. We're gonna put it on a plate after it cools down.
Well, it's not hot, but yeah.
But it's probably still hot. So we're gonna end out this video. Make sure y'all
Like, share, comment, and subscribe
to
if you have not already done so. And make sure
You didn't say thanks for watching.
Oh, also thanks for watching. Sorry.
and follow us on all of our social medias.
Be down there. It'll be up here,
Yeah.
down there, and sometime. Oh, I said that wrong, but yeah.
It's gonna be up here, you guys. She's extra.
Cute.
All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna show y'all
The finished product.
the finished
OREO
product.
just see it and the thumbnail.
It looks good. It tastes good too.
Yes, it tastes delicious. So
So Saray's
cutting them.
she's cutting them.
He's a finished product. Always saying bye, but still.
No, we're just show them.
Peace. You'll see it in our thing with you.
Bye.